Hey, Coach Greg here with Spot Training, and today we have a 10-minute cardio workout for you. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be completely standing, no weights needed. You can do this at home, in the grocery store, wherever you wanna go. So let's get right to it. All right, we're gonna kick it off with some boxer bounces. We're gonna do 30 seconds each exercise. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're just focusing on shifting our weight from one leg to the other. Shake out your arms. Getting the lymphatic system going and draining, getting blood circulating, having a good time. Now, if you don't want to leave the ground, you could just focus on just shifting like this, almost do more like a two-step. But the goal is we just want to, almost like, or the Peanuts, you know that cartoon? The goal is we just want to get our body moving, get that blood circulating. So do whichever variation you want. All right, we go in 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job. Next, we're going to focus on some hip openers, really focusing on opening up this part of our body. You ready? We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So bring that knee high and over. Pretend there's like a wall or a hurdle, something right here that you just have to step over. Boom. Keeping our back flat, core is tight, as you can see. Again, you don't have to go as high as I am. You can keep it low here. Do whatever works for you. But again, if you don't move it, you lose it. So just want to make sure, get the mobility that you can and go at whatever pace or level that you can do. You don't got to try to, do something crazy. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and we're down. All right, let's get into some butt kicks. Here we go. All we're doing is focusing on bringing our heel back. A normal butt kick, you just see people doing this. That works too if you want to do that, but if you want to be a little more intentional and actually grow that booty, you're just focusing on pawing the ground. You're going to feel it more in your thigh and in your glutes. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. There it is. I know it looks a little funny. It looks like you're wiping dog poo off your shoe, and I've done that plenty of times, and that's how I discovered that this works. All right, here we go. But if you want a little more intensity, then focus on something like this. Whatever you want. All right, we are crushing. Again, we're trying to get our blood moving, heart rate up, get our sweat on. 3, 2, 1, down. Great job. Next, we have some front jacks. The normal jumping jack, you're here, you're leaving the ground, arms are up over your head. Front jack, maybe you have some shoulder issues. All we're doing is focusing, instead of jumping, we're stepping. And instead of arms over our head, our arms are out in front of us like this. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. There it is. Really step. Focus on your breathing. I like to have my knees slightly bent for the majority of it, instead of having my legs locked out. It's kind of hard to move like that, but knees are bent. Boom. You can move. The second or the moment your foot touches the other side, boom, bring it back. There it is. I feel like an aerobics instructor. Like, all right, and 1, and 2, and 3. 3, 2, 1, down. Great job. We are crushing it. Next, we have some high knees. Here we go. Take a second. Take a breather. Hopefully you have water standby. You can grab. We go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. All right. Bring those knees as high as you can. My back is flat. My core is tight. Focusing on driving up from my hip flexor. Trying to get my knee to parallel. You can have your hands here if you'd like as a guide. If you can hold on to something if you want. Whatever you need. But think core. Again, if you don't want to do it slow, you can go fast. Whatever you want. 3, 2, 1, down. Alrighty. Last, we're going to finish off with some side shuffles. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. You can actually shuffle from side to side like this, or you can just focus on staying locked, and all we're doing is stepping out. Boom, we're here. Just like this. My back is flat. I'm hinging from my hips, and as I'm stepping, I'm here. It's more of like a core workout, but you're gonna feel it in your legs, Just feel it in your whole body, be intentional. I mean, if you have more open space, then you can actually like shuffle, whatever you want, but I feel like this is a great modification. 3, 2, 1, up. Great job, we did it. Come on, let's get this other set out of the way. You got this. Take a breath, take some water, take time to yourself, but we are going in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Boxer bounces, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Hip openers, 3, 2, 1, go. Butt kicks, 3, 2, 1, go. Front jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. High knees, 3, 2, 1, go. Side shuffles, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. That is your 10-minute cardio workout, give or take some. Hopefully you loved it as much as I did. We only needed to do 2 sets because I'm already sweating. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you like these type of videos, go ahead and click our notification bell and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Coach Mayor, Coach Gabby, Coach Greg, that is me. We love making these videos for y'all. We'd love to hear what you like, what you don't like. Again, we just want to be part of the community and be a small part of your health and fitness journey. But I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.